Hi guys, welcome to my video of how to do crocodile nails. So I've went in with 2 coats of Pink Smoothie by Gelish, cured it, and now I'm applying Mermaid Shimmer to the cured layer. I've top coated it, cured it, and now I'm applying the blooming gel. Don't cure the blooming gel. All you need to do is get a nice big bit of white. As you can see, the second one isn't as thick, so I do go back over that. You need to make sure you've got plenty on your brush because it does run and it goes really thin, and that's how you get the crocodile effect. So if you apply it too thin, it will just disintegrate into nothing. And I have tried this with a normal top coat and it really doesn't have the same effect. The blooming gel just is amazing. I also use the blooming gel for tortoise shell nails too. It works really well with tortoise shell. Now I'm just going down the side and adding little dots. Now there was a little bubble in the second one, and I just try and get rid of it here, but I didn't want to cut it out. This crocodile is really girly. She's a pink and shimmery crocodile, but you don't always have to go for the crocodile colours because then it would be boring. And then I cured it for 30 seconds, and now I'm applying the top coat and then cure it another 30 seconds, and then there you have it. How beautiful is that? Thanks for watching everyone. Bye.